What's happening, everyone? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Angel and this is my channel AT Print. In this video, I'm gonna go over my shop/studio. Pretty much gonna give you a tour of how it looks and how much equipment I can fit in this small space. And also, this is gonna be a great motivation for you guys trying to start in this industry of apparel, because sometimes we limit ourselves because we have a small place and we cannot do it. But let me tell you this is a really small spot right here, and you're gonna see how much equipment I have in this small spot. So this is gonna be a motivation for you to get started right now. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright guys, so we are here in the shop/studio. Check it out. If you can see around, it is a small space, but we're gonna make it work what we have, right? So also, this is a motivation for you trying to start in the t-shirt industry. You don't have to just screen print. You can also run a heat press and you can start pressing your t-shirts. There's different methods of, creating t-shirts, right? So let's go ahead and start with the first thing here. I'm gonna take you over my press. This is the Riley Hawken 150 4-color 1-station press. It is a great press. So far I love it. It doesn't have the micro registration, as you can see, but so far I have done 1-color jobs, and I did one color job, but that one required 2-color because it needed the underbase for the black garment. So pretty much, let's say that 2 colors. And I was able to line it up pretty good because I did some lines here, registration lines, when I do my palette, and I didn't have no problem, right? But yeah, that is this. I bought this with a bundle. It came with the flash, it came with some squeegees, it came with the exposure unit, emulsion, chemical, scrubs, test palette. It came with a lot of stuff. So I bought it for, they had a sale, Ryanette, screenprinting.com had a sale like about 2,000 something bucks, but I was able to get the starter kit, right? And that's what you need, if you want to start t-shirts and you want to screen print, deals like that, take advantage of them because it's going to help you, right? You're going to get everything you need to start screen printing. All right, so not everything you need to start screen printing, because there's other things you need to add to your list, but I'm going to go ahead and show you some of those stuff, okay? All right, so this is the press again, the Riley Hawken 150, and here we have a custom built table. I'm not going to take credit for this table because this is the blueprint from Heart and Hustle, Joey from Heart and Hustle. I appreciate it that he gave a video and I was able to make the exact table. Mine's look a little different. I put the top white. I also spray painted it, to match my press right here. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you. This is how it looks. Check it out. I think it came out pretty good, Got my stuff down here. If you can see, I got my emulsion, my coater. I got my squeegees here, some ink, chemicals, and some towels back there. Some screens underneath. Over here I got some ink. I don't have much. Again, I'm starting. I'm using the FN ink right here. And also, I bought the Total Ink Solution. This is the all-purpose ink. Again, I have not tried the other colors, but so far I tried the yellow and it works good. The white, also tried this, really creamy. It's a little messy, that one. I prefer a thicker, like the FN ink right here is a little thicker. So I prefer that one. But overall, it works good, okay? So right over here, I'm gonna show you, this is the custom door I made for it. Our dry cabinet right here, as you can see, store my screens. All right, and this is, by the way, this is not gonna be in order. This is gonna be all over the place, so for you guys to see my setup, okay? All right, so over here we have my coater stand. Okay, I got this piece at I believe screenprinting.com. I got that piece. It works good. Just make sure you drill something right here like this, because I made when I went to coat my screens, I bought a new emulsion. And what happened was I went to coat it. I waited too long. I already did one pass. Then I was gonna do another pass, I waited too long and it got dry. So I pulled it up and the screen just went up and I made a mess over here in the carpet, as you can see. Yeah. But you learn, and that's why I drilled this right here. Got my whiteboard here. Got some vinyl over here because I also do vinyl. What else we got going on? Okay, so let me go ahead and show you my heat press right here. All right, so right over here we have our Ricoma 16 by 20 heat press. This thing is a monster. I love it. Let me go ahead and show you. So right here, check it out. This comes all the way to the back. It reaches really far. See, and it makes it easier for you to, you know, place your garments. This is again made by Ricoma. I'm not sponsored by them, but I just want to say they make good products. Okay. This one is a auto open. It has the auto feature, so whenever, if you put 15 seconds, it's gonna beep and then it's gonna lift up. Also, this is a touchpad. It tells you the temperatures. You can also set up your temperature, custom made them, and always have the exact same one. And let's say I have screen printing, I'm gonna set it up for 320 to cure it, to cure my ink. If I'm working with Caesar vinyl, that'll be 305, so forth. Okay, so that's that. Again, it's made by Ricoma. Great heat press. Also own a Heat Press Nation press. It's right over here in the closet. We're not gonna go in there, kind of messy. That one was my first heat press, also a great machine. I just don't have it because I don't have the space, you know. But that one is a 15 by 15 heat press. Again, it's an awesome press. Okay, so over here we're gonna go where I have my, if you can see, my setup. This is where I get my graphic design, you know, work. Have my, oh, by the way, this mouse right here, it's the best mouse here. This run you about $100, but it worth all the money. Okay, got some LED lights over there, you know. Got my iPad. Thing works great. Sometimes I go in there, do a little sketches for design or logo design, because that was my background, logo designing. Oh, also I'm gonna show you my sublimation printer right here. This one is the Epson 7710. This one right here, what we did was, you know, normally this is not a sublimation printer, but we bought the ink and stuff like that and we converted to a sublimation printer. So we also do own a real sublimation printer, but we have that one in my wife's station. That one is the Sawgrass 1000. Great machine. So that one is over there. Okay, what else we got going on? All right, again, we got more lights over here, you know, give that studio vibe whenever I'm doing recording videos for my other channel, Angel Design. I'll probably link that in the description below if you want to learn about Affinity Designer. Yeah, I got my setup here. That's where I record. Over here, we have our flash. I currently have not used this flash because I'm waiting to purchase a extension cord. It's a 10 gauge extension cord, and I had to plug it to the bathroom because normal household runs, these plug runs like 15 amp, I believe, right here. The bathroom is a 20 amp, so that's why I had to buy a extension cord to, you know, run this safe and not burn the apartment. Okay, because I don't want that to happen. So I have not used it. I've been using a heat gun to pretty much, I use it as a flash. Okay, the heat gun, and then I cure it over here in the heat press. You know, I just want to get that, because when you cure it with the heat press, you get that soft feel and it smashes the ink. For screen printings, let's say you're doing the dark garments, the fiber may come up, you know what I mean? So I want to do it this way, probably like cure it with the flash, like that, I can stay up. But again, I need to buy the extension cord. Okay, so over here we have, let me move this over here. Sorry for the video, it's everywhere, but we gotta make a video, right? So here we have our printer. This is where I do my print my film positive. This is the Canon Pixma right over here. You can buy this in Amazon. A great beginner printer. It's an inkjet printer. And be honest, I will not change this one because it works good for what I need, right? If you want to start screen printing, buy that because it's budget friendly. Over here we have our Silhouette Cameo. This is the, I believe, Cameo 3. Again, got some custom decals, make it look cool. Great cutter also if you're starting and you want to do vinyl, something like that is good. I know they have the Cameo 4 now, so many different options. They got the Cricut out there. There's many different. Over here, let me go ahead and show you. Right here we got the, where we put our supplies. We have our, of course you need one of these heat guns. Oh, and also these right here, if you get the Canon Pixma, this right here, it's cheap. It's like, it runs about 18 bucks, I believe, something like that. And that is the ink for this. You can't beat that. And look, all the stuff it brings, all the ink. Yeah, you definitely can beat that. So I recommend buying that, to be honest. If you're starting, you want to start screen printing, that stuff is great. Again, we have a bunch of stuff over here. More film positive. Right here we got my custom stickers. Some thank you cards and stuff like that. You could do your custom stickers. You cut them, pre-cut them here. Yeah, just a bunch of junk over here. All right. What else we got? Got this little, decoration over here. Got my books right here. This is my books. Check them out. This is my beautiful family. Oh, this is my beautiful family right there. Got some of the books, some logo designing books. Got this awesome hat made by Joey. Check them out. Heart and Hustle. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Got it right over here. So we got that. And again, like I told you, the closet, we got all the supplies, everything, the chemicals, test palettes, garments are in here. Everything in there is stored. And what else I have not shown you guys? Oh, over here in our table, we have our, little wrenches over here and stuff like that. If you can see, if you want to start screen printing, this is really important to have this tool right here. Make sure you get one of these tees. And the reason why, because whenever you want to do your registration lines for your palette, this is going to give you accurate centered lines and all that stuff. So get one of those. Really important. Okay. And also I'm going to show you something here that you also can need. If this is ideal if you have a small space, okay? It's really ideal if you have a small space like I do, because again, this tell you right here that you don't need a big place to run a t-shirt shop. Whatever you're trying to do. This is, again, for you who out there trying to start, in this industry, and you think you need a big space, which in the future is good, but just start, you can make it happen. This is, I'm telling you, this is a box right here. This is really small, and I'm able to fit a lot of equipment, okay? So let me go ahead and show you this. Again, you're gonna need this. This is really important if you have a small space. This right here, check it out. No, I'm just kidding. But this right here is a power washer, okay? Of course, I don't have the other connection right there. This is pretty much battery operated, and all you need is this bucket right here. Okay? This is where I keep all my, chemicals, some of the chemicals here. This is the other attachment that goes to the power washer. Right over here. Okay? So the scrubs. You fill that bucket up. And guess what? You can do your own cleanup here. So what I do, I go to the hallway outside and I get a tote and I do my wash. I wash all the emulsion right there when I degrease them right there, because again, I don't have outdoor stuff. Right now it's winter over here, it's getting cold, and I do it here. So that is pretty much it. I don't know if I forgot something. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I did forget. I forgot to show you guys my exposure unit. Okay, so again, I have it down here, my exposure unit. As you can see, let me go ahead and show you. So right here I bought this in screenprinting.com. This is the base layer X series exposure unit. It works good. So that's what I use. And I also went to Hobby Lobby and I purchased one of these foam and I cut it and stuff like that. Okay. Also got some weight. That's to put it on top when I put my film positive for it to compress the film down. Make sure it's no lifting up and all that stuff. Okay. What else I got to show you guys? I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else to show you guys. Instead of this, what else? Yeah, this comfy chair right here. It keep me comfortable, you know? When I be here, this is where I be most of the time, sitting down, sometimes wasting my time, which is not good. And creating designs. What else? That's pretty much it. Oh, you know what? I also we do embroidery, right? And my wife, she has her own section over here in the living room where she does sublimation, also embroidery, vinyl, and she have a whole station over there of embroidery. And we recently purchased something. We're not gonna share it right now in this video, but it's gonna be really exciting. I'm so happy and I can't wait to receive this product. And it's made by, again, the best people out there. I'm not sponsored by them. Ricoma, okay? I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You're gonna have to wait. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notification because you want to stay and see whenever I announce this. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Again, this YouTube channel is not just gonna be about screen printing. It's also gonna be related to sublimation, screen printing, vinyl printing, embroidery, all of that. So it's all about the apparel industry, hats and all that stuff. So stay tuned, you know, because a lot of things are happening. And I just can't wait to show you guys. I want to show you my process, my growth, and yeah, so make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it does help the channel. I haven't uploaded in a while, but stay tuned because we're going to be creating content. I did have a video, and what happened was I deleted by mistake. I deleted all 50, like 70 something clips. It was really large because I did the whole process from the beginning to the end. So for my next video, that's what I'm going to try to do. Start the whole process from the beginning. How I do it, how I'm learning little by little, because this is something that I'm not a pro at it, but I'm learning. And I believe that as a beginner, it's good to show our process because there's many out there who are trying to start screen printing and they want to learn, or this anything related with the t-shirt industry. And I believe it's really important to show those baby steps, right? Those beginner steps where we learn and we make a lot of mistakes. And if you see that I'm doing something wrong, hey, leave it in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you and make sure I do it the right way next. Like, think. Forget it, you know, that was ridiculous, but it's effing ink. You know, I got it right. It's nothing effing ink. My wife corrected me with that, but I just had to leave the video because I already edited the video. But anyway, thank you for watching. My name is Angel. This is AT Print. Take care.